What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today, as y'all see in the title, I don't know if it's in the title or not, actually. I'm going to a car meet down here in the A on Terra Boulevard, Jonesboro area. That's where we will be tonight. It is a clean culture meet times like 2 other people, but all I know is clean culture, so hey, that's all I'm gonna say. But anyways, we finna go to this car wash, get this car washed up, you feel me? Scribble to scrabble, washed up. Get these wheels clean, cause they stay dirty, white on white. Don't you hate to see it? But anyways, yeah, catch y'all at the car wash, and then we're going to Tay's house. Gonna try to get Tay out the house to come to the car meet with us, drive the M45, maybe the Turbo Maxima. We don't know, but we'll see when we get to the car wash, and then we get to Tay's house. I don't know how much of the car wash I'm gonna vlog really, cause I know y'all, I know the ones that be on my channel that be really watching me for real. Y'all hate to see a car wash coming, cause y'all know this car goes to the car wash almost every 2 days. White on white, bro, it's annoying. And then we going into the winter time, so all it is now is wet roads and dirt grime just hitting you up. But yeah, we gonna hit this car meet up. It say it end at 11. It's currently 5. That clock is a hour ahead, so it's almost 6. It's getting dark outside, as y'all can see. But anyways, I'll catch y'all at the car wash. And just like that, we done. Just like that, we done. Y'all see the chrome? Y'all see that chrome? Yeah, just like that, we done. Yes, I'm recording you, bro. It's not even cold out here, bro.
Yes, it is. It's cold as hell. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, man. You got another super in there, not gonna lie.
Huh?
You got another super in there.
I got another what?
Supra.
Oh. What kind of shoes are those, bro?
New Balance. I gotta go pick up Candace.
Rich people. Ah. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
That's a Cyclone. That's super.
Yeah.
You probably already got a duplicate of that though. Yeah. Alright, so we picked up the lovely lady and we are currently about to pull up into the meet. I thought the meet got busted. Technically, it's not supposed to get busted because there are cops on site all night. But I thought it got busted because I see a lot of cars going that way. Even though technically we are an hour and 30 minutes late. But they said it doesn't end till 6 o'clock. So I don't know how big this meet is supposed to be. Or, oh, it's supposed to end at 11 o'clock. Sorry, guys. 11. Thank you. All right, so we're trying to see where all the cars are. Oh, it's back here. Y'all heard that, chat? Y'all heard that? He be seeing me on the Instagram, man.
That is cute. So you might want me to record the front and not
That's hard. Look at that. This feel like Need for Speed, baby.
I was gonna say this don't look like something you usually come to, so. Oh, that's the truck we were behind.
They're parking there. Find a parking spot, right? Do it every time. Come back here. Keep your exhaust down. We parked up. We're gonna walk around and see what's out here. I don't want to bore y'all too much, so if we see anything we like, we'll show. Like this. That's pretty clean. I think the wheels are doing it. Striker alert. Striker alert. Striker alert. You like those wheels? Them things hitting, baby. You don't get no more chrome than that. Does that mean VQ Cam will be here? That's his homie.
I would not trust no flame, open flame right by a car.
There's not really too much going on. Everybody just parking up. As y'all see, we're just recording the cars that's coming in here. But everybody really just parking up. So I guess it's supposed to be a rev competition sometime soon, I guess. A big Durango just parked next to me, so.
Like to ran somebody over. Let me be
and
the
hit
news
somebody's
reporter.
car.
Let me be the news reporter.
They can't hear you that far.
So far, we've seen 2 almost ran people over.
Yeah.
One, because somebody was just coming through here being a butt, and then the Durango floored it, so he wouldn't hit the car. Almost ran over the man. And us, low key.
It's some pretty good light back here though, so it really helped the video out. I can say that much, but yeah. Big Cam can't even drive it straight, boy. Cam too big. Damn.
It's like from Pike County. He had a cam and everything.
Yeah. It's hard. you did. Everybody jump.
I mean, I can feel it. It's already like this. I already can hear tomorrow. I'm gonna be like,
I told you. Check this out, check. That one hard.
it's missing. It's not. I'm missing.
This one Pro Charge. Must be nice. Chad, he's finna burn the bumper off.
This shit is so terrible for the car.
Unless you do pop. This ain't hard, chat. That's the good music right there, girl. What you know about that? Huh? Da 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 da. No, no, no. All right, chat. We're in the car right now. It's freezing out there, so we're just trying to sit here and chill. Ain't that right? Need some heat. She done froze. She ain't even talking no more. Same car, so hard. What's going on, bro? Tay's supposed to be here somewhere. I don't know where he at. I think he got the M45 here. I have to find him. So, chat, we chasing Tay VQ down right now. We're gonna come around from all that nastiness and stuff. Trying to find Tay. I think he out here somewhere. We're gonna find, there you go. I don't know if y'all can see him. There you go, right there. Gotta say, good luck finding parking in there. I'm finna get in. Bro, you be all right, bro. You make it through. Speed bump coming up. Out here with Tasky.
This man. I was gonna leave it in the parking lot, but
Ain't no parking.
shit.
Saint just pulled up. Oh, no straight. You ain't low enough, bro.
My exhaust didn't hit it this time.
You ain't low enough, bro.
Hey man.
Kenneth's in the car down there. Fred here. Quay not here. Don't be mad at me. Currently sitting in line. We've been sitting in the same place for the last 5 minutes.
You was there first, though.
I don't know how to count.
Hey. I ain't gonna lie, some grandmas in here too.
Huh?
Some grandmas in here. A lot of them. Need me a cougar.
Yeah.
I got me a cougar, really.
Not today.
Life goes on. No cap, no matter the situation. Life goes on. Holden? You on a tire?
Maybe 700. I'm gonna say 7.
7?
I'm gonna say 7.
It's Pro Charge. Oh, no, it's not. better, bro. I know I didn't finish the video out, but we finished the video out here. Make sure I go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And the motivational quote for today is keep going, stay positive in life. I know I keep saying that every time. The meet was great. It was a lot of revving going on, as y'all can tell. Kind of got irritated towards the end of the video. But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next.